Good afternoon, I'm Adrian Crawford. It's Walkabout Wednesday with Williams Crawford, and today I'm going to show you a few things that have just arrived that have really caught my eye, and then we're going to go into the workshop and see what those guys are doing, because they're the ones that do all the hard work. You know that the sales is really easy, so the hard work's done in the workshop. Let me show you around, come with me. First of all, what's caught my eye is it looks like this nearly new Cayenne has been out on test drive, and what I hadn't noticed exactly before is how beautiful this colour is. Porsche makes some lovely shades. Look at that. In the sunlight, really nice. Anyhow, right beside is another one that I rather like because of the colour. This is a little Boxster that I believe we supplied before. Abnormal car. First of all, the Orient Red, very rare. It's a Boxster S, factory hardtop look. Now, these are not loads of money, but they are good cars and they've really picked up pace. And I just noticed on this one, Lightronic headlamps with the washers. It looks like a very high spec car with 35,000 miles. Now, if you're looking for one of these, this is your kiddie. It might be double what you might pay for an ordinary one on Facebook Marketplace, but my God, it's ought to be worth 10 times. So, what else have we got here? I think I might have shown you this before, which is this Cayman in Guards Red, unusual for one of them, 718 GTS. This one sold really fast in beautiful colour. Never seen one in that colour, sort of ice blue. Two lovely white Boxsters. A 718 at 46,000. See what else is here. That's really caught my attention. Now, I mentioned this one before, Palladium Silver. Not a straight silver. A really calm car, I thought. I really enjoy using that and driving it. A Shark Blue. I love a colour, don't you? Looks absolutely cool. 718 Cayman. Nice spec. 2,600 miles. Oh my God. Whoever had this needs a bit of a talking to and say, use your car more often. And it's a manual. Now that is, come on, the gloss black wheels, gloss black spoiler on it. Oh, I'm liking that. I think that's really nice. Look at the gloss black on the vents and the lower spoiler. That is gorgeous. Right, what else have we got here that you need to see? Got good interest on this one. Rare colour combination. Rare car. Very last of them. Little anomaly if you've got the if you're interested in this sort of thing. The windscreen here, you can see has only a rubber and not the metal band. So there's a 964 screen, common only to the very last of the 3.2s. 911S Targa, very nice car. I've done a feature on this one before. Come on, where's the lady or gent that wants this one? It's a very worthwhile car, and it's an S. So, best of, lovely colour. Been done really well some while ago. I've done a bit of driving in this, enjoyed it, and yeah, that's got my vote. So now let's go into the workshop and sort of explain a few things. One of the things that we do is that we check the cars before we commit to sell them, and we've had a couple recently that just haven't been what they said they were, so we've actually had to reject them. Whereas this little silver Carrera 3, I looked at this briefly this morning and used it as a bit of an education piece for the boys. because very unusual car. Carrera 3 litre, 76 car, and cool tartan. So this one will have passed inspection and will come to the market really soon. What's that? That looks like a maintenance car. I thought this was an RS, but it isn't. It's just in that same amethyst. That's in for maintenance. Quite likely we got a GT4 on ceramics with Club Sport package incoming. And Ian is doing his wonders with this C2S, making that look lovely. 993 and a G series in for some form of maintenance, don't know what. Beautiful silver 911 going for export. A visitor, presumably in for maintenance, car that we built and sold before. G series that we built and sold before. And GT3. So we've got quite a lot going on at the moment, and it's shifting really, really fast. I've been away, and it's difficult to keep up with it. But I know that our guys have got some beautiful stuff incoming. Beautiful weather. Oh, and I was out with this one the other day. Got a client quite interested in it. It's a 67 911S and set up for competition. So I'm hoping that might find its home soon. So that's it from me. I'm Adrian Crawford, Williams Crawford. Got to show you one more thing. Hold on, stay with me. Hold on. We've just been changing our lobby, and we're nearly complete. And we've got the little 356 Speedster in here. Doesn't she look beautiful? So you could have that in your dining room or your lounge and just have it as a piece of artwork. Having said that, I've driven that car and it's surprisingly fun. Really like it. Anyhow, there we are. Hope you enjoyed this relatively short Walkabout Wednesday. You know where we are if you think we can help. The answer to most Porsche questions is yes, we can help you with it, or at least we can advise you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.